Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Let's again have a look at what to do after you successfully get some gains in crypto trading or investment or stocks or whatever. My best form of investment right now is real estate hunting. Well, let's have a look here at Lista. That's a website or an application to have a look at real estate within Italy, Spain, and Portugal. Here, my choice is in Italy. And as you can see here, I'm currently focusing on Sicily, near the city of Palermo. Here, I put my filters at around 80k euros. Of course, you can convert that into USD as you like. And as you can see here, I put sea views as a feature, and let's look for homes in Palermo. As you can see here, you can find something for 60k. It's in a decent condition, but that's really a rooftop, so let's go for 80k. You will find that it's a flat in Palermo somewhere or another. That's 3 rooms. I do believe it will have to have some renovations, and as you can see here, it's not really in a horrible condition, but of course it needs some attention, and it can be reused and put on Airbnb. Where am I? Here am I. Can be reused and put on Airbnb or Booking for over 250 euros per night. So that would be quite a good investment if you want some flow of cash, if you want some investment in the background that can generate some passive income. Of course, you would have to put some efforts in. Of course, you would invest some time and money even into sustaining that business model. But generally speaking, real estate is relatively easy. You just need to get your insurances. You need to get someone who can manage that property for you. If you're not residing in the place, of course, I'm not residing in Italy, but I do frequently visit Italy, so I can keep an eye on everything going on here. But of course, I delegate that task to someone else who's living here, who's around the property, and I trust him well to get things going. So of course, that's form of investment. If you don't like these kind of investments, if you don't like buying properties and renting out to others, then probably you can look for something else. Probably you can secure your money into gold. Probably you can buy some silver. Probably you can buy some other forms of assets. Maybe you can buy a classic car. As I'm telling you yesterday, classic cars are a good form of investment to keep hold of your money. Get it away from inflation. That's the whole concept. That's the whole idea. Get your money away from inflation and you should be fine. Because inflation eats everything you can imagine. If you earn 100k right now, it's equivalent to 50k 6 years ago. Inflation is just going skyrocketing right now, and you need to secure your money and get it away from inflation. And of course, me personally, I do believe that real estate can hold its value. It can be a lifesaver, even if you somewhat get kicked out of your place and things go horribly wrong. At least you have a place to stay. At least you have a place to sleep. So real estate is never a bad investment, but it's completely up to you. That's my own humble perspective. That's my trial and error, and that's what I'm doing right now. But I'm just sharing that journey with you. If you have different ideas, of course, feel free to write it down in the comments below, and we can chat about it. But back to the whole idea of crypto gains and securing that money. The thing is, I don't want you to keep looking at numbers. The numbers of Bitcoin's value is going to continue going up until the all-time high, the new all-time high, and then we would expect some decrease in value. This will happen, I do believe, probably within this year, maybe early next year. We're still not really starting the current cycle, but it's starting to show some momentum. Things are picking up. The market is starting to move right now. So I do believe that we're starting to see the bullish market, but we still have to wait for a while until we have confirmation. And then BTC can go to 70k and beyond. Where to after 70k? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. But if we look at the Fibonacci retracement levels, I do believe I have it here somewhere. Wait a minute. Where is the Fibonacci? Where is... Anyway, let's go to crypto market cap, and I can show you what am I talking about here. As you can see, BTC is currently going down, but Fibonacci retracement level, of course, is not here. I'm not having trade view right now. Trading view can be quite useful in that situation, but in general, you can potentially make some adjustments and some predictions that BTC can potentially reach 140, 150k this year. If not, then probably let's be moderate and let's look at the 100k. If you have Bitcoin and it reaches 100k, what are you going to do with 100k? You can go either way. You can just stick it around and keep it in Bitcoin and see it falling and falling and falling all the way to a previous all-time low, probably 5k or 8k or whatever, because that's gonna happen. That's a cycle for crypto. That's a repetitive behavior for BTC. So if you don't want that to happen, then probably you can cash out your 100k and pay your taxes on the 100k, and then with whatever left with you, you can just invest it somewhere else until Bitcoin goes to a lower point, and then you feel comfortable again buying BTC. I know it sounds risky. I know that many people are just so into the belief that Bitcoin, once you buy it, you keep it and never touch it again. You just pass it on to generations. Well, it's somewhat true, but I've been in this trap for a couple of times now. So this time I do believe that selling is a good option, and you can gamble it a little bit. You can just be brave, you can be bold and go for it and see what's going to happen. What could possibly go wrong, as Jeremy Clarkson says. So that's it for now. Of course, as usual, updating you whenever something else happens in the market. Thank you all for attention, and see you next time. Bye-bye.